Hello, welcome to the 2JZ channel. In this video we'll be talking about GS fog lights. This is for the model, the 2GS for 1998 through 2005 Lexus GS300, GS400, and the GS430. And also works with the Toyota Aristo. So here's a side-by-side comparison of a USDM fog lights from a GS300. And on the right is a JDM fog light from a Toyota Aristo. So the differences of the JDM fog light is that it has a built-in yellow capsule and is made by Toyota Ichigo. In America, the model that came with HID also came with these fog lights. The later model GS400 and the GS430. The option that has no fog light will come with these, with no capsules. This is a pretty cool upgrade to do if you own a GS300, GS400 or GS430. You get a JDM look. Let's take a look at the back. Right, here's the rear of the Toyota Aristo JDM fog lights. As you can see, here's the built-in capsule. And here's the USDM GS300 fog light with no capsules. So if you want like bright LEDs or HIDs, then these are the choice to go for. If you want that selective yellow look, then you go for the JDM Aristo model. And it's the same part number as well. The Toyota Ichigo is the Lexus. So in order to remove the fog light, it's very easy. This is probably the easiest car to do a fog light change. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, and it's going to be held on with just two Phillips head screw, one on top and one on bottom. Once you disconnect those screws, you could use this tab and pull out, and voila, you have access to the harness where you plug the light bulb in. So it's one of the easiest fog light removal on any car I experienced. So here's how the fog lights look like after installing the JDM Aristo yellow fog light. As you can see, it had produced a very nice deep gold yellow, selective yellow. Very nice rich color. I'm impressed with the results. Very nice OEM look with that JDM Toyota Aristo fog lights. So I'm gonna shine a flashlight to show you guys the difference. You see the yellow, and here's the non-yellow capsule. You shine bright. So it's a pretty cool upgrade you could do for your 2GS Lexus. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.